In this video, I'm going to share an advanced affiliate marketing funnel and strategy that can generate up to $2,000 per month. So let's talk about how this is going to work. Over here, I have my bonus course. So we want that when someone purchases using our affiliate link, we want to give them a bonus because this has high conversions and also it is highly beneficial because we also collect an email. So over here, we give away our bonus, we collect our email. So this is going to be the first stage. Now, the second tip I want to give you guys is if you want to really make money with affiliate marketing, you really want to go with software, because if you go with hardware, the commissions are very, very low. Now look at Amazon. You'll be lucky if you get like 10% commission if you sell an item, because these are physical products and they have more involved. When it comes to software, in most cases, it's made once and pretty much that's it. All they need to do is to perhaps maybe even provide support. So you really want to go for your software commissions. So these software services offer up to 50%. For example, I promote Divi. I get 50% and that is fantastic. So that is how you really get a lot of money with affiliate marketing. So let's say someone here purchases a product and I get my commission. And in this case, let's say it's $50. So we collect their email. Now here's where things get exciting. Over here now, we can sell a related product or service to the people that have bought this product. For example, Divi is a web design tool, so chances are they may be interested in an advanced course on how to design professional websites. This is where the power comes in, because you are selling a product that is that relates to the product that the customer has just bought, and chances are they are going to be interested in this. So let's talk about how to set everything up and make it work. With WordPress, and this is how I've been doing it, it's a bit tricky, because there's a lot of moving parts and you really need to patch things and make them work. So this system can be set up easily using system.io. Now, let me show you how to set this whole process up in system.io. So the first thing you want to do is to start with a tag. So I'm going to come over here to tags. So my tag here, for example, could be interested in Divi. So what we're saying here is when someone comes over here and leaves their email, we want to tag them with a tag called interested in Divi because they haven't bought it yet until we verify this. Okay, so now let's come back over here. So I'm going to click on add new tag and interested in Divi. So the next step now is our bonus course. So we want to give them access to our bonus course. So what I've done ahead of time is I've created the course and here it is here on Vimeo. So this one here is my online business mastery course. In fact, I give this away for free for anyone that buys system.io using my affiliate link. So these are all the lessons. So let's say I want to start adding all my lessons. I can just come over here and copy the link. And then back over here now, we need to add our course. So this is where you come over here now to product and sales. You go to courses and over here I've created one, but if you wanted to create a brand new one, you can just click on add new course. And then you can just give this a new name. So let's just call this new course. So this is for demo purposes only. And then over here, we also have a sales funnel. So this is where you could choose your funnel, but we're not going to do that yet because we haven't created it. Okay, so I'm going to save here. Now I can start adding my content. So I'm going to say add module. So I'm just going to say module 1. And notice how easy it is to go in and add all this. So now I can add my lecture. So I'm going to call this lesson 1. And I'm going to choose this template here and click on save. So remember, we copied a link from Vimeo. So this is where we come over here and add our link. So now I can say, okay, direct link, paste it over here. This is where now I can go in and start adding all my content. Now this is dummy text, by the way. I'm not a millionaire yet, but anyway, this is where you'd add all the content. So once you're done with that, you hit save changes and then you continue adding all your lessons until everything is complete. So now let's take a quick preview and see what this looks like. The next step, now that we've created our course, is to put everything together. So I'm going to exit from here. So this is where we're going to need a funnel. So I'm going to click on funnel and let's click on create. So this one here is, okay, build an audience and let's call this interested in Divi. So that's our name of our funnel. I'm going to hit create. So now I'm just going to choose a landing page. I want something very basic. I'm going to go with this one here. Okay, great. To customize it, you want to come over here to edit page. Now, here's the most important thing. Now, remember over here, we say that we want to capture the email before they purchase. Okay, so this is where we want to come over here now to the button. So if I click on this gear icon, I can get access to my button here. So I'm going to say now, when button action is clicked, open URL. And this is the URL that you need to add, which then takes them to the affiliate page where they can purchase the product. So I'm going to add a blank link for now, but this will open up in a new window. Excellent. Now I can hit save changes and exit. Okay, so as you can see here, we don't have this thank you page, so we don't need this because our squeeze page is doing everything that we need. So I'm going to hit confirm. So the question now is, how do they get access to the actual product, which is the course that we're giving away for free? So now let's head over to our automation rules and add our first rule. Okay, so now we want that funnel step form subscribed. I'm going to select that, add my action. So my action now is to add the tag. So I'm going to come over here, choose my tag. Now remember, we created this earlier on, and this is interested in Divi. So now we can save the rule. So what we're saying here is funnel step form subscribed, which is our main landing page. So when they subscribe, I am going to add a tag to them and they're going to be added to my mailing list. So this is our first part. So if I come over here now, we can see that we've managed to achieve this part right here. So let's come over here now to automation and we're going to go to workflows. So over here on workflows, we want to click. So over here on workflows, let's create our brand new one. And this one here is interested in Divi. We're now going to hit create. Okay, so now let's go ahead and set up our workflow. So I'm going to come over here to edit. Right, so our first trigger here, I'm going to click here and select my first trigger. So I want that when the tag is added, I'm going to hit select and the tag is interested in Divi. I'm going to hit create. Okay, so when the tag is added, in other words, when they fill in the form, what do I need to happen next? So now I'm going to click on this plus button and I'm going to delay maybe an hour, hit create, and then I'm going to click on this plus button here and add my action. So my action here is going to be a question. Have you purchased Divi yet? If not, here's the link. And then I can also mention the benefits and also the course that they get when they purchase Divi using my affiliate link. Okay, so now I can come over here and say send email. And that's the email I'm going to add in here. So if the email hasn't been created yet, you can just click on create new and then give it a subject and then add the contents. So once you've set up the email, the next step now is once they confirm that they've purchased Divi using your affiliate link, they're going to send you an email with the actual receipt number. And then you can just compare these receipt numbers. And if it matches that range, you know that they've purchased using your affiliate link, which is great. So this is where now you need to create another tag called bought Divi. So the tag called bought Divi is going to now give them access to the actual course, which you've already added on the system. So let me show you how you can do this. So if I click here on this plus button and I say action and choose action, and I'm going to say enroll in course. Now you can see here you have this option. So our tag here will be called bought Divi and the action will be enroll in course. So once the tag is added, they are going to be sent an email with the login credentials. So once that's done, you can wait a couple of days and then offer them the course now, which then costs $197. So just to put this into perspective, take a look at this. So let's say in a month, you're able to sell 20 of these. That's $1,000. And from everyone that has purchased this, all we need is 5. Okay, so the 5 now will purchase the 197, making it 2,000. So here's the thing. It's not easy to get 20 per month. You are going to need a ton of traffic. And this is where now you need to be really, really good at generating traffic to that particular landing page. And there's 2 ways you can do this. You can do this by either creating organic content, which is what I do, or you can use paid ads. But even if you do the paid ads, you also need to have some sort of a presence in your particular niche on YouTube. Now, the reason why I'm mentioning YouTube is because Now, the reason why I say YouTube is because YouTube is the second largest search engine. So a lot of the traffic I get is SEO optimized, which means these topics that I create are what people are searching for. And just target key phrases that people are searching for. YouTube is the best by far, because Facebook, yeah, people, just scroll, all over the place. And sometimes your video could be seen, but it cannot be searched later on. So YouTube does a fantastic job of that. And that is why I highly recommend YouTube. Now, I am also putting together a course called YouTube Mastery. Now, this course is going to be absolutely free. So I'm going to leave a link in the video description below for those of you that purchase system.io using my link. All right. If you have any questions on affiliate marketing or creating an online business, please let me know in the video description below, and I'll do my best to cover those topics. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.